Hey guys, how are you doing? You are welcome back again to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time coming across my video, my name is Juliet. This channel is all about skincare, beauty, lifestyle and family. Please, if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please click on that red button and subscribe, and also click on the bell so that whenever I upload a new video, you will see it. So guys, in today's video I have amazing recipe I want to share with you. This recipe is all about face scrub, how to make the best face scrub ever that can make your face smooth and clear. All you need to do is to watch this video to the end. So guys, without wasting your time, let's go straight to the point. So guys, to prepare this recipe you need a bowl. In a bowl you add sugar. I'm using 2 spoons of sugar, white sugar. You add sugar. Then the next thing is turmeric. Half teaspoon of turmeric powder. Then the next thing we need is honey. So I'm going to add honey. Then you mix it very well. Mix it. So this is the face scrub. Now I'm going to, this is how to apply it. You use it to scrub your face. There are so many benefits of using this face scrub. Number one is that it will help to reduce anti-aging effect. It helps to remove dark circles around the eyes. It helps to remove wrinkles and make skin look more beautiful. So guys, to get a perfect result, you need to apply this recipe twice in a week. You get a perfect result. Please, when scrubbing your face, be careful so that the thing will not enter your eyes. So guys, after scrubbing your face, you leave it for 20 minutes before you wash it off. And you wash it off. So guys, that is the end. Thank you so much for watching. See you guys in my next video.